Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can install Cash App on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your App Store application on your iPhone, which is by default on your phone. So simply just open this app, and in here you can see currently we're on the search page. In order to go to your search page, all you have to do is tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner right here, and it will lead you to this search page. And in here, all you have to do is tap on this search bar right here, and then on your keyboard, type down Cash App. After typing Cash App, tap on the search button on your keyboard, and then we will get to see this Cash App right here. Simply just tap on this Cash App. And after doing so, here you can see there is the option of Get. Simply tap on it. And after doing so, your Touch ID, your Face ID, or the password of your Apple account will be required. So after your Face ID has been recognized, here you can see now the download process has begun. And after the completion of the download process, you can see there is the option of Open. Simply just tap on this button in order to open Cash App on your iPhone. And just like this, here you can see your Cash App has now successfully been installed and open on your iPhone. And that is it. That is how you can install Cash App on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.